Hi there, Frank George here. Today I'd like to introduce you to the Durox Heavy Duty Kitchen Shears. This set is great for cutting up whole chickens, fish, and vegetables, as you'll see. You'll love them to help around the kitchen. They're really strong and durable. And they come with everything that you see here. 2 sets of heavy-duty shears and a tungsten knife sharpener built into the handle, and a cleaning cloth, instruction manual, and carrying box. These Durox shears are designed for ultra-fine serration, made of non-slip materials for good, strong grips, and roomy holes for your fingers. They're really strong. You can hear I'm cutting right through bone. Right through the bone with ease. And there's my chicken all cut up into pieces. The microfiber towel is great for sopping up all of this juice. And when you want to prepare a whole fish, you can also cut off the fins and the head. You can hear how they easily go straight through the bones. Cut off the fins and cut off the tail. There you are. Your fish is ready for preparation. Just rinse your shears with some soap and water. Now we're going to take our other shears and prepare some cauliflower. With the pointed ends, we'll be able to get into all the spots that are hard to cut. As you can see, it cuts really, really easily. The points are very great for getting in nice and tight. And not only can you prepare your vegetables fast and quick, you can take off the ends as well. Again, goes right through the butt, really easy. Now I'm going to take and separate the pieces of cauliflower for preparation. Makes preparing for a meal a whole lot easier and faster. Cauliflower ready to cook. When and if you wish to sharpen, you just take the tool and go 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and once on the reverse to take away any burrs. Now you're ready again. Here we go with some nice looking broccoli. You can just swing right through this and you're ready to go. And just to show you how tough they are and durable, boom. So get yourself a Durox heavy duty kitchen shears today.